Hi, boys and girls. I am so excited for you guys to finally research all about your Florida friend. So this is going to be where you're going to record the information that you found. Up at the top is where you're going to write your animal name for whichever animal you chose last week as your Florida friend. Then I'd like you to find out, is your animal an amphibian, a bird, a fish, an insect, a mammal, a reptile, or something else as other? And go ahead and check which box your animal is. For example, if I picked a pelican, mine would be a bird. Now I'm going to check the bird box. Now, after you did that, I'd like you to draw me a super detailed picture of your animal. If you want, you can even put some labels. Then I'd like you to do a super juicy drawing of your animal's habitat. If it's a forest or a swamp or a pond, make sure you have all those juicy details of what I could see there. And then I have some questions I'd like you to answer using the books on Epic. My animal's habitat is blank. What type of habitat does your animal live in? My animal eats blank. What does your animal eat for food? And sometimes your animal eats a couple things, so you can write them here on the lines. You can write more than one thing. My animal gets water from blank. After doing your research, where do they go and get their water from? And the last thing, my animal has, and you're going to circle either fur, scales, or feathers. All right, good luck, boys and girls, with your research. Remember to use the books on Epic, and I can't wait to learn more about your Florida friend.